Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we'll learn about image tag. Today, we will learn about Marquee and favicontag. So for this, we will open our editor. I will make new file. I will set the title of a web page, right? Marquee, Marquee and favicontag. I will save the file. Usually on a website, you see some news are moving from left to right or right to left or up and down. We will do this using marquee tag. I will save the file and open the page, right? You can see it, marquee is moving from right to left, right? We can set the speed of the text by using scroll amount, right? If I will set 100, it will move very fast. You can see it. If I will set 10, it will move slowly, right? You can see it. Now I want when my mouse is over the text, it will stop, right? Then there's an attribute in marquee is on mouse over. This dot stop means this text should be stopped when our mouse is over the text. You can see it. The marquee is stopped, right? But when our mouse is not over the text, it will not move again. So for this we will use on mouse out. This dot start. I will reload the page. You can see it. When mouse is over the text, it will stop. When I move the mouse down, it will start again. We can set the direction of the text, right? You can see it. If I will move down, it will move down, right? If I will set the direction left, then it will move right to left. If I will set the direction right, it will move from left to right, right? I hope you understand the concept of marquee is very well. Now I will tell you about the favicon. Favicon is usually implemented in the head section. You can see it on this web page. We have a title of a web page, HTML5, image tag, and so on. With this text, there's an icon. This is the YouTube loader. This is the favicon of YouTube website. So now we will implement the favicon on our web page, right? Usually the favicon is designed by the designer on Adobe Photoshop or Canva, etc. But I will show the logo in the title bar as a favicon, right? I have the logo.png in the images folder, right? There's a link tag. In link tag, there is the attribute href. I did the images slash logo.png, right? And there is also an attribute rel, means relation to this web page, right? It's the icon for the web page, right? Then there's an attribute type in its image and png, right? I will i will save this and reload the page, right? Now you can see it with the title bar marquee and favicontag over favicon is display. I hope you understand it very well. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.